So here's Robinhood Wallet. This app was just released, so I'm just gonna provide a super quick, easy tutorial for you. I just created an account, but it's interesting to explore. So yeah, this is a Web3 wallet designed to use with Ethereum and Polygon networks. So this is what available right now. So you can swap your crypto with no network fees, secure and display your NFT collections, transfer your existing crypto, store your crypto and your keys. So yeah, of course, probably you've heard about MetaMask or some other Rainbow wallets, whatever, like bunch of others. And finally, Robinhood made its own wallet specifically for Web3, for crypto and DeFi, decentralized finance. Which was a different aspect of crypto. So it's not only Bitcoin. People who dived into it actually saw a lot of potential in especially Web3 area in like all of these different tokens and especially decentralized finance. So this is just like the overview what this app should be used for. And then yeah, you can just create your account. I was just doing some quick research, and then here is your wallet. This is how it looks like. Basically, you can instantly get some reward. You can get some USDC after you make your first deposit. So what are the terms here? You can get $10 if you deposit $10, you get 10 USDC, but you need to do it from Robinhood Crypto. If you just transfer from wallet to exchange, if you transfer $10 from MetaMask, you will get only one USDC. So obviously they want you to use Robinhood app and stay in Robinhood ecosystem and all of that. So yeah, you can try that. But anyhow, that's your wallet here. You can see your like your account, your assets. You can transfer from Robinhood, transfer tokens from Robinhood, and then you can make secure transfers over Ethereum and Polygon networks. But first, like, let's just ask. There are some questions about creating new wallet. So you can easily create new wallet on iPhone 14, for example, or 12. You can just use Face ID, and it's super fast. And it's like then you just create password. You can back up securely to iCloud, and then you just good to go. Also, you can import, of course, your existing wallet from Ethereum or Polygon, and then yeah, you can just import it as well. Use Face ID, Touch ID, custom PIN. You can also recover your wallet from iCloud, fund your wallet, and then you can just fund your wallet. Robinhood currently does not charge service fees on token swaps. Fees are subject to change. Network fees or gas fees are blockchain transaction processing fees. These required fees are submitted to the network. So gas fees obviously are not eliminated, but this app doesn't have any fees. I think that's basically the whole point of DeFi, that it shouldn't be controlled by some decentralized app like Robinhood. So if Robinhood starts to charge like some crazy fees on DeFi, there is just no option, like no way people will gonna use it, I think. Or maybe I'm mistaken. Maybe they just like the interface and they just like to stay in Robinhood ecosystem. But there are a lot of apps in DeFi. That's the whole point of blockchain and decentralization, I guess. To stay away from centralized apps. And then, yeah, there are some additional fees, but doesn't at this moment, Robinhood Wallet doesn't collect any part of the network fee. So back to the app here, you can just explore it. As you can see, it just works perfectly with Face ID. I can easily send tokens. Or Robinhood, you can scan a QR code or enter address to send tokens. I can receive crypto. So here, what it can be, I can see my activity and my wallet. Then there is a backups and security. You can see that you can manage NFT visibility. If you have some NFTs from Polygon or from Ethereum in your wallet, you'll be able to see them here. There is some help center again. If you're new to it, you can just again go through it and read some of the FAQs. So here you can just read through that. Then there is terms and privacy policy, and then you can just tap to remove wallet. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Also, then you can search for tokens, and then you can track prices, and then you can just see some information around it. You can see Polygon address. You can click, and then you, if you want, you can just receive out. And you can see also how it's trending here. So, and then just track all of these tokens here. So yeah, that's basically the idea. Of course, you can see the jump during the years. But yeah, you can just search, and it's pretty convenient. The app is very minimalistic and very easy to use. Like, yeah, that's the cool part about Robinhood, because of course they're using all of their developer power to make it feel very smooth on mobile. It feels very nice, while other apps, maybe they are more popular, but they don't feel like, sometimes, like, design wise, not that smooth. Of course, I think Robinhood will just add a lot of gamification and all of these prompts to make you spend more, and you can see all these effects when I'm tapping on the app. It just makes some cool things. So yeah, try it out. Definitely, why not? But of course, if you're using some other wallets, why you need to switch to Robinhood. But if you have a good portfolio in the Robinhood ecosystem already, that's your way into Web3. Definitely, of course, you are able to buy like Bitcoin, all of that on Robinhood. But now this is your access to Web3, and you can also try it out. So yeah, that's the idea. Hope you enjoy it. That's just an overview. So this app is currently trending in the App Store. It's already hit the top charts in the finance. So you can see here it's in number 10 apps among finance. It was just released though, just 96 ratings. You can go through the ratings. App visuals are stunning, fantastic app, nice app, easy to use, risky at best. But there are already some issues, as you can see here. Crypto went somewhere not in my wallet. So you can also always reach out to their support, wallet support at robinhood.com. And user experience is great. So people agree here, as I said, like very well-designed app, feels very smooth, but that doesn't refer like to its technical capabilities. If you send in crypto and it's been lost, that's not very good, I guess. But it says, how can this be Web3 wallet? You can't connect to dApps, you can't send your NFTs, you can't view floor price of NFTs, can't access and exchange to sell them either. Imagine these features are coming, but as the wallet stands now, it's basically useless. Okay, so different reviews, but there you have it.